In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a bunny. For a more detailed breakdown of this step-by-step drawing tutorial, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com or simply follow the link in the description below. The first thing you'll want to draw are two shapes. Draw a circle for the head of the bunny and an oval for the body. These shapes should overlap each other slightly. Next, bring a line from the larger oval and curl it towards the body shape. This will become the hind leg of the bunny. Draw two shapes coming from the circle for the ears. Now you can define the face of the bunny a bit further by drawing an eye and the nose. Also make the face less circular by drawing lines like the ones in the image. Draw a line down the middle of the right ear of the bunny to define the underside of the ear. You can also draw the legs of the bunny. At this stage of the drawing, you can begin to add some of the details. Add some furry whiskers by drawing lines that extend out from the head. Make quick marks to make them appear more realistic. Now you have enough information to finish the drawing of the bunny. When you outline the body, make it look furry by drawing lines out away from the body. Darken in the eye, but leave a white spot for the highlight. Be sure to add some shadow underneath and erase any stray lines. For more step-by-step tutorials like this one, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com.